welcome back to Trader Tech Man. Today on Trader Tech Man, we will be unboxing the Galaxy Buds Pro. I used to have the Galaxy Buds. They was alright, wasn't bad. I also had the silver version. Had a little holographic on the side, or should I say. Now it's time for me to update, so why not go with the Galaxy Buds Pro? Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go ahead and cut off the tape first. Alright, now we got that open. Pull this out. What we got in here? Comes with a little case. Take that off. Oh, these look really shiny. They're like really silvery, if that's a word. I like them. I wonder if they get fingerprints on them though. Yeah, I see fingerprints on them. So if you get them, just know you're gonna have fingerprints on them. The inside look a lot bigger too on here, I'm noticing. Let's see if it go. It's not bad. Well, while we open up the rest of this, we're gonna see what else comes in the box. Let's see. Open this up. Now once we open it up, it got a cable in here. Type C, of course. What's in this little box? This is a really mini box. I bet my daughter would love to play with this box. Oh, they got the rest of the headphones so you could make sure that it fits right. And this one is a little big for me, so I might change mine out. I'm gonna put both of them in my ear to see which one feels better. Let's take this one out. We're gonna go with this one over here. Alright, now that I got both of them in, my first thought putting them in, I will say this one feels a lot bigger than this one. I don't know if it's more heavier or maybe because I ain't changed out the buds. The earpieces, maybe I need to do that. At first I would say this one is much lighter and it feels a little bit more comfortable. The great thing about these headphones is it's great and easily to just change them out. Even if it's your first time or you already had some and you just was unsure about your size. Alright, now that I got this one on, let's go ahead and go put this one back in my ear. Oh yeah, that feels, it feels actually like the same. Alright, so a little bit of my other one. A little bit of my new one. I feel like this one stands out a little bit more just because how it feels round around it. Oh, on here, they have like the tip right here, the wing tip. It looks like it comes out and it's snug, kind of like in your ear where you could just turn it. While on this one, it feels like it's just full. There's like no wing tip there. Now, do I think it'll fall out? No, I feel like it's pretty much the same. I can see how somebody could go run it and it'll still be the same, no change at all. So far, I like these though. I'm about to go ahead and jump into the app, go ahead and pair it. We're gonna see the different things you can do inside. Now that we unboxed the Galaxy Buds Pro, let's go ahead and jump into the app and connect it. Once you open up the case, it should ask you if you want to connect or not. You want to go ahead and hit connect. Go ahead and download the software. Go ahead and hit continue. And now you're all set.